In this video, I'll show you how to fix noise cancellation not working on your AirPods Pro using a few simple methods. Let's get started. Method 1. Make sure you're using AirPods Pro. Noise cancellation is only available on AirPods Pro and AirPods Max, not the regular AirPods. Also, make sure both AirPods are in your ears, or the feature won't activate. Method 2. Turn noise cancellation on manually. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Tap and hold the volume bar. Tap Noise Control and select Noise Cancellation. You can also go to Settings Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your AirPods Pro, and manually switch noise control. Method 3. Check the fit and seal. Make sure the ear tips are the correct size and form a good seal in your ears. You can run the ear tip fit test under Settings Bluetooth, your AirPods Pro ear tip fit test. Method 4. Clean your AirPods. Dirt or earwax blocking the microphones or speaker mesh can break noise cancellation. Gently clean your AirPods with a soft, dry cloth and a soft bristled brush, especially around the microphone area. Method 5. Update your AirPods firmware. Make sure your AirPods are connected and placed in their case. Keep the case near your iPhone, connected to Wi-Fi, and leave it for a few minutes to update automatically. Method 6. Reset your AirPods Pro. Put the AirPods in the case, open the lid. Press and hold the button on the back of the case until the LED flashes amber, then white. Reconnect them to your device by going to Settings Bluetooth. Still not working? Contact Apple support. It could be a hardware issue. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech fixes and tutorials.